Good morning, guys. Another day, day 2 in Leh Ladakh.
Hey.
And this is Saurabh. And today we are headed to
Hemis Monastery.
Hemis Monastery.
And we are all set for a good bike ride. And today he's going to take one more bike for himself, and I'm going to drive 500. He's going to do the travel on 350.
Just for today. Tomorrow I'm taking a 500 as well. Here's the bike, and off we go. So Saurabh's bike is punctured and I've come to get a mechanic. He's in the middle of nowhere. I have to get there as soon as possible. To the Hemis Monastery, and you want to say
it was a wonderful journey. We're just starting the small trek up to the Hemis. So behind me you can see our aircraft which belongs to Pawan Hans, and nice to see our own aircraft flying out here in Leh. It was a warm surprise. Finally at Thikse Monastery at evening 5, and
if you didn't get it right, it's Thikse Monastery.
So you can see,
Thiksey के बारे में
we are done with the Thikse Monastery, and there's a view behind us.
This is the top view from the monastery.